Guys, welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So in today's video I would be talking about the favorites that I have from the month of January. Now every month I do this. Every month I talk about the stuffs, the things that I buy. In this way I can introduce you to the things that I buy and to the food items that I buy. So I buy minimal stuffs, but sometimes I love to experiment with food items, and that's why I include those items here if I like them. I have just a few things in this video to talk about. So I had been wanting a small bag for a long time because I didn't want to carry the large tote bag that I have everywhere that I go, and I wanted to buy a small one which would be spacious enough to put in my wallet, my charger, my phone, and the stuffs that are very necessary. But I was unable to find one because I didn't actually get the thing that I wanted. I wanted a small bag which would be a sling kind of a bag, but it would have ample amount of space. So one day I went to Miniso and I found the bag for me, and this is the bag. This is a bag, and this is how it opens, and it has got a lot of space, and I can put in my wallet, my power bank, the other small stuffs that I require when I go out. And this looks tiny, but it is not. It actually has a lot of space in it, and it's absolutely awesome, and it looks very pretty. It goes with everything that I wear. It has got a long sling. You can use this as a sling bag, or you can take it like this. So this looks very pretty, very pretty, and that's why I bought it. There were many other colors that were available, but I wanted something neon, and this is not a neon one. This is a pastel orange color, and I loved it. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so the other one that I would be talking about is also a bag, but it is a wallet. Now I have to admit that I loved this bag because of how it looks. This is a very sweet bag. There is a bear, and it looks very pretty. The color is a little light and it's very difficult to maintain, but I love this. This is a greenish blue in color, a sea blue types, but a very light one. So this is how you open it, and then you have the card holders, and then you have the space where you can put your money, and you can put a picture here, and this is so cute. The thing that I love the most about is this one. It is adorable, and this is a small tiny one. The only problem that I face in this bag is that there is no chain or anything to put the coins in. So what I do is that I put this wallet inside this bag, and I have to carry a small coin purse or something like that, which is a small one where I put the coins. Apart from that, I love everything about this bag. This is also spacious. The wallet is also spacious. So these are the only two things that I've bought. Now moving on to the food items. It is a food haul, and I experiment with a lot of food because I'm a foodie, as you all know. And so let's get into the food related items. So recently I came across these two kinds of popcorns from the brand called 4700BC. These are gourmet popcorn, and there were two kinds of popcorns. I bought both of them. One was Hawaiian barbecue cheese popcorn, and another one was this one, Sriracha lime cheese popcorn. So both of them tasted heavenly. These were so delicious. I loved them. I loved both of them, and I'm going to buy these again, and I highly recommend that you at least have a taste of it. And we generally have only the cheese and the caramel popcorn, but these are flavored ones which are equally good, and I love the taste. So I have the empty packet of this one. I don't have the packet of that one, the another one. I'll be showing you the video of both of them so that you can have a look at it. So this is the one, and you can try it out. It's really yummy, and I love it. I absolutely love it. and I'll buy this again once I go to Spencer's. I think these are also available online. I'll link everything in the description box below. Okay, so these are the popcorns, and the next ones that I would be talking about is this one. This is like Kurkure, but it's not Kurkure. It's from a brand called Actu. We know Actu as Actu popcorn, but this is the cheese Becks with herbs, and these are light and crunchy, and I have had them and I loved it. These have, of course, cheesy flavor to it, and also it has got a herby flavor. So if you're a cheese lover like me, then you will absolutely love this. This is how it looks. This is Actu popcorn, yeah, Actu brand, and these are my favorites. So the last one that I would be talking about is known as the Chipotle dip spread and dressing from Wingreen's Farms. As you know that I love sandwiches and I love to experiment with dressing, as I have said in all of my videos. So this is the new one that I have bought, and if I have to say, then I would say that you have to try this out, because this is a little spicier, and if you are a spicy lover like me, then you will definitely love this. And this is how it looks, and you will get it in Spencer's. You will get it also online, so I will link it. And just put a little amount of this on your sandwich or on your bread or on your anything that you love to eat, and this will make it delicious, and you will thank me later, I'm for sure. So yeah, that's it for this video. This is a small one, but I didn't want to buy anything just for the sake of buying it. I just wanted to experiment a little with the junk that I eat sometimes, and the two things that I had to buy for sure, and that is it. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please comment below, because that makes my day. And yeah, stay tuned in my next video. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay positive.